I'm going to attempt to solder these frickin' tiny little motor wires on this Emax NanoHawk. I already put a little more solder on the motor pads. Come on, little thing. Let's try this out. Start with that inside one right there. See what happens. Let's go. Heat up, solder. There we go. Oh, don't do that. There we go. Nope. There we go. Better. There's one. This guy to the side. This guy down there now. Put the solder up. Boom. That was way better than the first one. Let's try this third one. That little pad up right there. Got that little bit of soldering line. Nice. There we go. Looks good. Somewhat. Except with that first one. Looks a little shady. But it'll work. Late. Solder came out pretty good. Got the little zip tie on it. Let's put this little battery on there. Hopefully we don't get any of that magic smoke or whatever the heck they call that shit. Hopefully we soldered this up properly. There it goes. Nice. No proofers. Let's see. Let's see if it starts up. There we go. Nice. Rocking and rolling, baby.